Hi, good day to everyone. My name is Jim, founder of JT Tetrac Sdn Bhd. We are the queue management system display manufacturer based in Malaysia. In front of us, this is a hybrid QMS system. Where I can see on your left hand side, this is an analog series. So the analog display, the width of the display is 370mm and the height of the display is 500mm. So each of the character size is 110mm. So 50 feet viewing distance, I think shouldn't be an issue. So let's start about the middle one. So this is the middle one, is the normal LCD TV. So usually we can connect to 50 inch, 55 inch or 60 inch because it's just a HDMI input. And at the middle of the QMS, you can see that this is the advertising part. So you can put some advertisement from your client or from your own. So on the bottom side, this is a custom message. It's a custom rolling message. So let's start our presentation today. So let's say the customer come in, you press the button. So this is 1018 and the now serving number is 1014. Of course, this is counter 1 and this is counter 2. Let's press counter 2 next. 1015. So both of the display will respond at the same time. So whether you are inside of the living hall or outside of the corridor, you can still see the numbering. So let's start next. So you can see that now it's 1016. This is how it looks like. So this configuration is pretty simple. So you can see a small router over here under the keypad. So this is a small router. So every of the device connect back to the router. And this is how it looks like. So if you like my video, help us to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.